Hello everybody, I have got a really awesome vintage nightlight to show off today. Mini fluorescent with a regular on-off switch. This is a preheat. This certainly looks 1980s or early 90s perhaps to me. So whenever that was, it cost less than a penny a day to operate. No assembly, saves energy, long life, safe to touch when on, brighter than 20 watt regular incandescent bulb. Okay, we'll put that to the test. That says it's 3.5 watts. It's an energy saver. Made in the USA. American Power Products is the brand. Here's the back. Energy saver, mini fluorescent. Okay, just looking at the items that it's depicting, that all looks like childhood stuff to me. You can see it's in the workshop there, and they've got one in the kitchen there. That all looks like vintage stuff. That must be the living room. Definitely vintage there because it looks like it's depicting wood paneling. And then in the laundry room, that looks like vintage washer and dryer, and the paper towel roll has the little designs on it from way back when. So yeah, a lot of that looks 80s to me. Can't tell exactly what kind of washer and dryer that's trying to depict. So there's all the areas it can be used in. And it's a model number 07744. Made in the USA, American Power Products. Made in USA except bulb. Okay, so the packaging is not mint. It's got a little hole in it. I actually bought two of these. One of them is in service. This one's staying in the package until needed. Here is the one I'll be installing in the surprise location here in a little bit. We'll take a look at the controls panel here. Just a simple on-off toggle switch. It's American Power Products. And here is a look at the data. So I have the watt meter set up, so let's put it on there before we bring it in and see what it does. All ready to go. It's plugged in. Let's go ahead and set it to amps. As you can see, it is vintage, so it doesn't have a parasitic draw like some modern items would have when they're on standby power. Isn't that a nice sound? 0.13 amps. Let's go to the watts. 2.7 watts, so it's under spec, so that's awesome. And 0.17 power factor. Of course, 60 hertz. And we're running at 118.3 volts or 0.4, so awesome. So that's probably why it's under just a little bit on the spec. So there's a look. Nice grid design from the day. So we'll go inside and I'll show y'all where I've got this installed. Here's where I've decided to install one of these fluorescent nightlights I recently acquired. Let's go ahead and give it a demonstration. Flip the switch. That's nice. Very nice. Now I will turn off the light and we'll see how much light it puts out in this laundry room. So I'm back out in the kitchen and I can clearly see all the appliances and how to navigate the kitchen. And here is the laundry room, and you can clearly see there's a 1979 Maytag A106 sitting over there, and you can easily operate it with this light, as well as the dryer. You can operate it with just that light. You can see to operate the back door to get in and out of it, and all down in there. It gets darker as I go away from it. However, I can see enough to get over here and not run into that desk corner, and then go out in the little shop and look from this side of the room. So yes, that's more than adequate for a night light for this area. That's a perfect fit. Perfect place to have installed that. You can even see in here if I wanted to get a midnight snack. You can see easily what all's in here. And that one too. So once again, this has been my preheat fluorescent nightlight. Thank you for watching.